The Ford Expedition isn't just an SUV. It's presence, power, and luxury rolled into one. At the front, the bold grille stretches wide, commanding the road with confidence, framed by signature LED headlights that shine with precision and strength. The sculpted hood lines flow into a stance that is both muscular and refined, every angle designed to convey authority. The wheels are large and striking, engineered for both rugged capability and undeniable style, while the paint finish glistens with a depth that reflects elegance in every shade. From the rear, the Expedition is just as commanding. Sleek taillights, a wide body, and details that balance utility with sophistication, making every departure as powerful as its arrival. Step inside, and the atmosphere transforms from commanding to indulgent. The seats are spacious and luxurious, upholstered in premium leather, with support and comfort tailored for long journeys or short escapes. 3 rows of seating mean every passenger travels first class, surrounded by space, refinement, and thoughtful details. The cabin feels like a sanctuary, quiet, expansive, and modern. The dashboard flows with precision, housing digital displays that are sharp, responsive, and intuitive. The infotainment system brings seamless connectivity, navigation, entertainment, and control, all at your fingertips, delivered through a high-definition screen. The steering wheel feels solid and refined, with controls placed exactly where instinct reaches, giving you confidence and command with every drive. Every surface tells a story of craftsmanship, soft-touch materials, metallic accents, and ambient lighting that sets the perfect tone. Storage is smart and generous, every corner designed with purpose, making practicality feel luxurious. Whether it's a family trip, an off-road adventure, or city driving, the Expedition adapts with strength and sophistication. The Ford Expedition isn't just about size, it's about statement. It combines power with comfort, capability with elegance, and utility with style. This isn't just driving, it's leading the way. This is the Ford Expedition.